Hey guys, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm your host, your name, and today we're tackling something truly awesome, the best AI image generators of 2024. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI art? Is it really that good? Well, buckle up, because you're about to see some mind-blowing stuff. We've all seen those incredible AI-generated images popping up everywhere, on social media, in ads, even in galleries. But the landscape of AI image generators is exploding with options, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So how do you cut through the noise and find the perfect tool for you? That's exactly what we're going to do today. Think of this video as your ultimate guide, loaded with reviews, comparisons, and tips to unleash your inner artist, whatever your budget or skill level. We're talking about realistic images, stunning abstract art, and even the capability to breathe life into your wildest imaginings, all thanks to the power of AI. Get ready to explore this incredible world with me. Before we jump into the specific tools, let's quickly understand the magic behind these AI image generators. At their core, these programs are like super-powered pattern recognition machines. They've been trained on massive datasets, think billions of images, learning the nuances of color, shape, texture, and composition. When you input a text prompt, like a majestic lion in a snow-covered forest, the AI doesn't just look up a matching picture. Instead, it deconstructs your prompt, analyzing the keywords and relationships between them. It then starts creating the image pixel by pixel, predicting what each pixel should look like based on the patterns it learned during its training. It's an incredibly complex process, but the results are nothing short of amazing. Imagine the AI sifting through countless examples of lions, forests, and snow, identifying the common features and then blending them in a way that creates a completely novel image. And that's just the start. Many advanced generators allow you to refine your results using parameters, giving you even more fine-grained control. This isn't just about generating a quick image. It's about sculpting, refining, and perfecting your vision with the help of a powerful AI. Let's start with a heavyweight contender, DALL-E 3, from OpenAI, the same geniuses behind ChatGPT. DALL-E 3 is phenomenal at transforming intricate prompts into breathtakingly realistic or abstract visuals. The level of detail is truly impressive. It can capture subtle textures and lighting conditions with astonishing accuracy, creating stunning photorealistic images or outlandish, almost dreamlike scenarios. Need a hyper-realistic photo of a cat wearing a tiny top hat? DALL-E 3 can deliver. Want a surreal painting of a robot playing chess with a dragon? DALL-E 3 can handle that too. One of DALL-E 3's amazing features is its ability to understand incredibly detailed prompts. Rather than just focusing on individual keywords, it grasps the context and meaning behind the request. This leads to outputs that are not only visually stunning, but also incredibly faithful to your initial concept. However, access comes at a cost. It's a subscription service, so it's more suitable for professionals or serious enthusiasts who need consistent access and high image quality. But hey, for that level of detail and creative control, it might just be worth it. We'll show you a few examples later, both realistic and abstract, to give you a taste of its unparalleled creative power. Next up is Midjourney, and this one is a real game changer. Midjourney absolutely excels in artistic rendering, often producing outputs that are strikingly beautiful and almost painterly in their quality. It's a favorite among artists looking to push creative boundaries and explore new styles. Imagine trying to capture the feeling of a sun-drenched meadow, the vibrant colors of a tropical sunset, or the ethereal glow of a moonlit forest. Midjourney's artistic models seem to capture the essence, going far beyond just rendering the details and getting right at the heart of the feeling or emotion. The quality is fantastic. The level of detail is outstanding. It offers a unique aesthetic and frequently delivers results that are almost indistinguishable from pieces created by human artists. For many artists, the consistent quality alone makes the monthly subscription fee worthwhile. It's a reliable tool that practically guarantees exceptional results. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, its unique artistic flair and consistent high quality are very appealing for professionals and serious art enthusiasts. We'll show some of its jaw-dropping creations next, including some examples of its unique artistic style. Now, let's talk about Adobe Firefly. Coming from a company known for its industry-leading creative software, it's no surprise that Firefly is another top-tier contender. What sets Firefly apart are its innovative structure and style reference features. This is a real game changer for those who need to maintain consistent branding or want to create images based on existing artwork. You can provide an existing image as a reference, and Firefly will use its structure or style to guide the creation of a new image, making it incredibly useful for logo redesigns, marketing consistency, or creating images that closely resemble a particular aesthetic. Having the option of using an existing image to base your new creations on gives you greater control of the outcome. What's more, everything generated by Firefly is commercially safe, so you can get the unique images you need without worrying about copyright concerns. This is a significant advantage for businesses and commercial projects. We'll look at some examples of how these tools are used in branding consistency and how this can save businesses time and money. And now for a true dark horse, Google's ImageFX. This one caught me completely off guard. ImageFX, powered by Imagen 3, is a standout performer, generating incredibly high-quality, realistic images for free. That's right, folks, no subscription fees here. ImageFX combines accuracy, speed, and cost-effectiveness with a beginner-friendly interface. The outputs are often just as good as paid generators with many fewer artifacts. Another amazing feature is its expressive chips. This lets you modify specific aspects of your prompt on the fly, opening up further experimentation and refinement, giving you creative freedom while generating multiple variations of your images quickly and easily. Its standout is in how readily it handles prompts that are incredibly complex and have many moving parts, making the generation consistently impressive. The ability to generate top-quality results for free is a massive selling point, making ImageFX an extremely appealing option for casual users, businesses on a budget, and anyone who values high quality without the cost of a subscription. We can't ignore ChatGPT. While primarily known as a chatbot, remember that OpenAI integrated its powerful DALL-E 3 image generation capabilities into ChatGPT. While free access is currently limited to 2 images per day, it's still a convenient feature that some users will thoroughly appreciate. The integration is seamless. You can generate images within the same chat interface, making it perfect for projects where you're generating both text and images. The image quality is comparable to other DALL-E 3 powered generators, maintaining accuracy and detail that OpenAI quality you've come to expect. The limitation on the number of generations per day makes it more suitable for occasional use, but it removes the need to sign in for other platforms to quickly generate images. Since it has many other uses, if you're already using ChatGPT, it could be a reliable tool without needing anything else. We've covered several of the top contenders, but there are many other outstanding AI image generators. For example, Leonardo.ai is praised for its more relaxed safety guidelines, allowing for the generation of images featuring characters, a boon for those working on creative projects involving copyrighted characters, or wanting far greater freedom, but use your powers wisely. Recraft v3, on the other hand, is exceptional at incorporating text directly into images, saving you a step and ensuring that generated text always appears perfectly integrated into the image. Then there's Crayon, a totally free and unlimited option, perfect if you want to simply experiment and have fun. While Stability AI's Dream Studio offers an incredible degree of customizable parameters and control, making it valuable for users seeking fine-grained refinements and bespoke edits. And finally, for mobile users, Wombo Dream is a phenomenal choice with an amazing range of different artistic styles to choose from. Each of these tools has its own niche and strengths, so it's worth exploring them to determine which best meets your needs and creative vision. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the ethical implications of using AI image generators. These tools are trained on massive datasets of images scraped from the internet. This often involves using images that are owned by other artists or are already under copyright protection, raising concerns about copyright infringement. This is a very complicated topic, with huge legal implications and an ongoing discussion about artists' rights. It's crucial to be mindful of these ethical concerns. Always review the terms of service for the AI image generator you're using and understand its copyright policies before using or distributing AI-generated images commercially. It's also a good practice to disclose when using AI-generated images. There is no need to be secretive or deceptive. Make it clear that you are using AI to remove any potential issues of trust or misleading your audience. Transparency on this issue can go a long way in avoiding potential problems. As we move forward, it's essential to support initiatives that promote fair compensation and protect the rights of artists whose work is used to train these powerful AI models. Alright guys, we've covered a lot of ground today. From the power of DALL-E 3 to the artistic prowess of Midjourney and the accessibility of Google ImageFX, the world of AI image generation offers something for everyone. Remember to consider your budget, your skill level, the specific use case for your images, and your ethical considerations when making your choice. I genuinely believe that AI image generators are going to revolutionize the way we create and interact with visual content. They're powerful tools that can boost creative output, save time, and democratize the art creation process. But it's essential to use them responsibly and ethically. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of AI. We've got tons more exciting content coming your way. And let me know in the comments below which AI image generator you're most excited to try, and maybe even share the results. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!